Hello and welcome. This video has popular comments about a lawyer submitting fake court citations from artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, for a lawsuit against an airline. They will make you think, smile, and learn a little more. He should be disbarred, period. You have to read the cases you cite, and the chatbot should be given no electricity for a year. I can't believe that he didn't shepherdize or otherwise check the citations in an established legal research database like Westlaw or Lexis before submitting an AI-generated brief to a federal judge. They don't mess around in federal court. They play for keeps, and I would be surprised if Mr. Schwartz was not sanctioned for this act. The supervising attorney whose name went on the brief might also be sanctioned. As a practicing attorney, this story gives me hope that I will be able to survive in my career until I am ready to retire without having to worry about my client's need for me to prepare their paperwork will be replaced by AI of some sort. I helped my son with a research paper. I decided to use ChatGPT to save time. I asked for 5 examples but got no links. I reworded and asked for links. The links given would be for page not found. I asked for real, verifiable examples. It couldn't do it. It made up every answer. I was waiting to read about a case like this. I am sorry, Your Honor, ChatGPT ate my homework. As an attorney, you would not believe how hard AI is being pushed as a fabulous new research tool across the profession. The first thing you learn in legal writing in law school is to make sure you read all the cases, use the correct ones, weed out the incorrect ones, and don't hide anything from the judge. At least it didn't provide examples of precedents by referring to cases of Perry Mason and Matlock. In 30-plus years as a trial attorney, I never once cited a case in a brief which I had not read first. That's an attorney's job as an officer of the court. Now that I'm a federal judge myself, I certainly wouldn't appreciate being made to waste my time trying to find cases which don't exist. When I was a cub reporter covering courts half a century ago, an inmate filed a pro se request for release, handwritten, citing a list of cases. He got out long enough to be escorted before a federal judge whose clerks had looked up the citations. They had been invented. Everything old is new again. If you've flown in an airplane before, you know that the flight attendants are not known for racing down the aisle. If you are such an opportunistic user of the legal system for your injuries, you deserve such a lawyer. I teach 6th grade science and this week received my first AI-generated essay from a 12-year-old. AI couldn't quite match the claim, evidence, reason format and bungled it. This time, it will learn. I predict a return to supervised written essays with note cards for research and possibly even the reintroduction of typewriters in schools. As a lawyer and retired judge, I believe that Mr. Schwartz should be suspended from practice for a year. AI nerds and journalists have been predicting that in the near future, the legal system can and will be replaced by AI. This proves them wrong. The life of the law has not been logic. It has been experience. A famous line by Oliver Wendell Holmes, Jr. No computer system is going to replace that. I keep telling my teenagers that the internet isn't always right and that if you don't actually learn the material in school, you'll never know when something is wrong and have no way to check it for yourself. This case is shining proof that fact-checking is necessary and that shortcuts will eventually get you burned. Automation has its place as long as humans don't forget how to do the underlying calculations. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.